guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an all-day clean with me. It is Emma's second day of preschool today, so I have almost, I think, a little less than 2 hours until I have to go pick her up. She's only in school for about 4 hours a day in the morning. So we did run to Target this morning after we dropped her off, and my husband is actually home all week this week. He just took off of work just because he needed a break. So I'm gonna try to get some stuff done. There's a little bit of just deep cleaning that I need to do. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. It's gonna be kind of like a day in the life, but like more of a cleaning version of it. I do want to show you what I got at Target today. It's just a whole bunch of like little random things, but I thought I would show you guys. At first I got, oh, it's really bright. Okay, I got this. This is the facial like moisturizer that came out funny. Moisturizer that I have been using lately. And it's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield. It's a water gel built in with, I get the one built in with sunscreen just because I like to have that extra sunscreen. It's an SPF of 25. So I really, really like this stuff. Like, it is so refreshing. And then obviously we needed diapers. So we got some diapers. That was the main reason that we went. And then also, if you guys do the Cartwheel app for Target, if you like their Honest Company, like you like that brand, everything is 20% off right now if you use your Cartwheel app. So Emma does need conditioner because her hair is so long. There we go. This is the conditioner that I like to get her. They do have another scent, but I'm not like a big fan of it. It's like orange something. And then also the days that we do not wash her hair or condition it, I always use this on her hair to like comb her hair in the morning and get ready, and it is really, really good. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get some stuff done before we have to go pick her up. Just because I also don't know how much I'm going to get done today because, of course, you know, Emma is sick and it's day 2 of preschool. Poor kid, like, doesn't get out that often, I guess, and she's all congested and just like allergies are in full force, and she was sneezing a ton and coughing a lot, so I just feel really bad for her. She said she felt good enough and she didn't have a fever. She wanted to go to school, so we let her go to school. Okay, first thing that I'm gonna get done today is this laundry room. I have been neglecting it so bad. I just walk through here to go to the garage and I just ignore all of this. Like, thank God for my amazing husband. He has been doing laundry probably because he needs clothes to wear, and he just kind of go ahead and just does it because he's like, you know what? I need clothes, I'm just gonna do some laundry. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this space, probably start a load of laundry, go gather all the other stuff that needs to be washed, and then I'm guessing this is clean, so I will give it the good old sniff test and then maybe fold those. Oh, I'm so bad.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Here's a little hack for you guys. If you have this type of washer where you need to leave the lid open, that way it doesn't get like mildewy and smelly in here, and you don't want to just leave the lid open, what I always do is I take the laundry cup, and if you have like this little bleach cup area, I set it in there and I do that. That way it always airs it out. I can still use the top to set things on if I want to, and I just think that's a good idea. So I thought I'd share that with you guys if you guys didn't know that. If you guys are new here, my name is Kristen and this is my channel, Life Made Simple. I do a ton of cleaning, organization videos, some motherhood vlogs, and just a whole bunch of like home decor DIY things. We bought this house about a year and a half ago and have about a year and a half left, and I am completely just redoing every single room, and I would love for you guys to be a part of our journey. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope you guys want to stick around.
Take me to your soul.
This is our little trash can that we use for lint. If you guys do not have like a special place for your lint, instead of like walking it to the trash can every time, I highly recommend it. We never used to do this, and then when my mom stayed, she put this trash can in here because we just had an extra one floating around, and I am so glad that she did. As you can tell in this next clip, I was determined to make this little cube thing fit in here. This used to be in Emma's room in her closet, and then it's kind of floated around to different closets between hers and Chloe's, and it's just been sitting in the spare bedroom for the last couple of months, and I knew I wanted to put it in here because we are going to do a renovation on this room, but in the meantime I wanted to replace that flimsy little cart that was in between them.
Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like.
So this definitely fit in here, as you can tell, and you can see I had to like push that over with my butt. Hopefully I didn't off balance it because it quit doing something. So, and I was informed by my husband that these are not clean yet, so guess we will be doing whites later. We'll be doing whites later.
We don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out, singing like,
So that took way longer than it should have. It is now 9:51. We have to go be able to pick up Emma at 11. The good thing is it's literally 2 minutes down the road, so that is a good thing. But I did get the laundry room completely clean. Like, the floor is still drying, it's all nice and scrubbed, and I really like that in there. So this is okay for now. We are actually this is on my list of rooms to renovate. It needs to be painted, it needs to be scrubbed. I'm doing some type of accent wall with open shelving. I just gotta figure out the details. I will obviously do a video on it. I'm just not sure when we will get around to this. But I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut everything for dinner tonight, just so it makes it easier. Like, it's an easy dinner to begin with, but it'll be so nice if I just don't have to cut it later.
You pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat.
This meal is literally one of our go-to meals. I think we have it almost every single week, if not every week. We will alternate it like every 2 weeks, but it's just so simple. It's great to put on top of rice and then a little bit of yum yum sauce, and it's like you went to a hibachi restaurant.
This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you.
Okay, here is what it looks like, and then what I will do is I will throw some of this seasoning in. This is just a let's see the brand, I can't remember. So it used to have a label on it, but it is from a brand called Grill Your Ass Off. It is military owned. It is really good stuff. This is the chicken one, and I literally put this on everything because it is so good. So I will sprinkle this on here, and then I'll shake it up, put it in the fridge, and then before I put it in the oven tonight, I will put some olive oil in here and then shake it up again.
We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is a realistic clean with me, which means the last time that I filmed was roughly about 11 o'clock, and now it is 3 o'clock. So yeah, a couple hours later, we have, you know, picked Emma up, went to the post office, came home, had lunch, had quiet time. I took a nap. My eyes are just totally bothering me. If I keep like, well, it probably looks like I'm just looking at you guys, but I'm like looking at my lens. I am having like a mini heart attack over here. But I went to go start filming again after everybody kind of took their naps, and I had you guys on the tripod, which I had you sitting up on top of a laundry basket. That right there, number one, mark Kristen, bad Kristen. I should have had my big camera that I use right here, and I should have had that up on the tripod, because that's normally how I film in the laundry room, is I have the tripod right outside. But I was lazy, and I thought, why don't I just use my little camera? I'm just gonna set it right up here. Well, I went to open the laundry door to the dryer, and the camera fell, and I now have a giant dent in, like, on my lens, and it actually would not go back into my camera. And I was freaking out. Like, this is like a $700 camera, and I don't think it's in warranty anymore. We don't live near a camera store like we used to. So I really don't know where I would take it to get fixed if I had to. I don't know if Best Buy would, because we don't have the warranty through them. So I was like slowly kind of freaking out. Like, yes, I have another camera, but this is like the camera I use the most. Like, this is my #1 camera for filming, and I thought it was a goner. And I slowly was like dying inside a little bit, sitting here on the floor, and I just kind of was like, okay, what do I have to lose? So I just shoved the lens back into the camera, and because it kept turning on and it would say like lens won't go back in, automatic shut off, restart camera. And I finally got it in, and we're doing good so far, right? Like, I honestly hope the audio's still working. Like, maybe I should go test that.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad...
Comment down below and let me know, do you guys like these like day in the life, all day clean with me's? Because I can do them once in a while. They are a lot easier to film because I just sporadically, whatever you want to call it, film throughout the day, and just, it's kind of like a vlog but the cleaning video at the same time. I kind of like them. I just want to know what you guys think. While dinner is cooking before I have to flip it again, and Kurt has the kids back in Emma's room playing, I'm going to try to put together her high chair, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the rug and kind of put those toys away before they come back out here and do it all over again. use essential oils, one of my hacks for having a clean vacuum smell is take a few drops, I usually do about 4, and put it right on the filter in your vacuum. And right now I decided to use Christmas Spirit just because it's so fresh and piney smelling. Not that I'm ready for Christmas quite yet, but I do love the smell of this essential oil. So you guys should try it out because it definitely makes the vacuum smell so good. This is more towards the end of the night, probably close to about 6 o'clock. The kids were done with their bath and I was just kind of cleaning up and going through our medicines because Emma was sick and coughing a ton. So I actually made her a immunity roller from my Young Living rollers. They all come in the starter kit and I kind of put it together. It was diluted for her and I let her put it on her feet and she thought that was the coolest thing ever. And I just really hope that it helps her because the poor kid just won't stop coughing. I hope you guys liked this type of video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of these, and comment down below if you really liked it and let me know what you liked most about them. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!